Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiera Alexander, and today's video I'm going to be showing you how I sleek my hair in this low, sleek side part bun on my thick natural hair. And if you have been wondering how I do it, this is the video for you. Definitely keep on watching. So I'm starting off with my hair tied up in its bonnet because I've already detangled it, and I'm going to be going ahead to take out these twists. As you can see, my hair is fully detangled. I twisted it up to maintain the detangle because, you know, if you leave your hair out, it's going to tangle back up. So it's best to twist it after you're done detangling just to control the curls, because we do not want them intertwining again and getting matted up. So we're going to be taking these twists out one by one and just stretching my hair out as much as I can. After I do a little pass through with my fingers through my hair, I'm taking this continuous spray water bottle, and I do not know why it took me so long to get this. If you don't have this water bottle, definitely get it if you have a natural hair. It is the best thing and the best tool that I have. Not having to continuously spray and press the button makes it so much more worth it, and a lot of water can come out at once. It's just amazing. So I'm just going to spray all over my hair until I'm done seeing it that it's a little bit more on the soaked side, and then I'm going to finger detangle my hair. I've already detangled my hair, so I don't need to do too much. I just wanted to pass my fingers through my hair one more time, as I've just added a little bit more water just to make sure it is going to be an easy process for putting my hair in this low bun. And one thing I really love is detangled free hair. So I'm just dancing around because it feels so good. It's very nice, and the curls have been really giving since I've cut all the red out of my hair. I've been really happy with having just my natural hair color, and it looks so beautiful. When I'm doing my buns, I like to play around with the parting. You never know what the outfit is giving, if it's going to be a side part. And if you're going to do a side part, is it a left part? Is it a right part? Is it a middle part? But I decided to go with a left part just because that's the side that really gives. And I'm using this rat tail comb to go ahead and part out my perfect curve. I want it to be like a C, the letter C. And I want it to be a really deep side part. Now, once I have a really crisp part, I'm going to start putting my hair in the direction that I want it to go in a temporary ponytail so that I can gel down my hair. I want to spritz down my hair just a little bit more because I'm going to use the Denman brush to try to lay my hair as flat as I can before adding the gel. Now, taking this Denman style brush, I'm going to be flattening out my hair. I want to make sure I take all the little curls out and tangles so that it can lay really flat and sleek. And I want to make sure there's no bumps in the back of my hair. For this hairstyle, I'm going to be using my black castor oil and flaxseed hair gel from Eco Styler, a sock bun, and a few different scrunchies. So I'm adding gel around the surface area of the bun. I'm trying to not be so heavy-handed on gel nowadays, but add as much gel as you would like so that your hair is laying really sleek and flat. So I'm using my brush to go ahead and get the gel in between the cracks, in between the crevices, to make sure all of it is still getting gel and it's all going to be laying down super flat. I'm going to be using a smoothing brush. Now, this particular brush is very soft. I'm tending, as I said, to go a little softer on the brushes, softer on the hair tools, just because I don't want to keep ripping out so much of my hair. You want to use a smooth brush so you can lay it real smooth and flat. And now I'm going to be putting my hair in the ponytail to prep it for the sock bun. Before I start adding anything else to my hair, I want to do my edges using this little small edge brush and the Balm Glaze edge control. And I'm going to be sculpting out how I want my edges to lay. I really want this to be a deep side part, so I'm just making sure the hair that frames my face and those little hairs are sleeked down. And then I'm going to pull out also my little side curls. Now this particular edge brush was doing the job, so I decided to use that to kind of go around the entirety of the ponytail to make sure everything was laying really flat. And now this is how my ponytail is looking so far. You could keep it like this, but I want a bun. So I'm going to be putting the sock bun onto my hair like it's a scrunchie. And then I want to spread and smooth my hair out around the sock bun as a template to make the perfect donut shape. For my extra hairs that are laying outside of the bun, I'm using this twisting method to twist it around the entirety base of the bun. Now this is a very simple flat twist that I'm doing. I'm just pretty much rolling my hair on itself. Once I get to the end of the twist, I like to tuck it in and then use another scrunchie to secure everything together. After having our bun finished, we want to make sure our baby hairs and everything is intact before tying our hair down with a bandana and a do-rag. Now you have your makeup done and you're taking off your do-rag and you're looking hot. You're looking amazing, sexy, sleek hair. It's super cute. I love this style for my natural hair on those times where I'm either not trying to do it with my hair or this just fits with the outfit. I hope you were able to gain some tips on this video with just sleeking down natural hair. I know it can be a little bit of a task, but we were able to get it done, and look how sleek this hair is looking. It's shiny, it's beautiful. Overall, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. It's Kiara Alexander here, and if you have any other natural hair video requests, definitely leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!